Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today I found a partial reveal, pretty full reveal actually, of one variation of the BoxyCharm Boxyluxe box for September. So this box, it's important to note that it shows us 5 items and that there are going to be 8 items in the box. But you know Boxy, they never want to show us all the cards. They want to keep us guessing in some way. So here's a photo of the box. This is basically 5 items. And as you can see, there is an eyeshadow palette. So let's talk about item number 1. Item number 1 is going to be, at least in this version, the Violet VOSS Essentials palette. This is from their Pro line, and as you can see, there are 10 shades. And if you're not familiar with Violet VOSS, they do have a wonderful formula, and Violet VOSS palettes are sold in Sephora. And so for item number 2, it will be the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. And as you can see, it looks like it comes in a glass bottle. And Glow Recipe has been very popular, and BoxyCharm just started featuring them in its boxes. And while you may have received a survey asking what your preferences were, whether you wanted Sunday Riley or Glow Recipe, just keep in mind that this is one variation of the Boxyluxe that is coming out. Item 3 in this variation will be the clipless curling iron, and this is it right here. It is by Sutra, and it does have a 360 cord on it that makes it convenient for lying on the counter, and it also has a 30 millimeter barrel, which is a little bit bigger than 1 1/4 inches. Item 4 in this variation will be a set of 2 items. So from the Clean Skin Club, you will get this water bottle, the one with the black trim, and it has a little infuser container in the center to put in your favorite fruits or teas or whatever it is that people do with these infuser water bottles. But you will also get the Spongel mani-pedi kit, and this is the only photo that I could find because this cannot be found at their website, so this may just be a new item. Item number 5 will be an IGK hair product, and this actually has 5 stars at Ulta. It is called the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, and it looks like it could be good for curly hair as well as straight hair that just gets a little frizz in it, but it does look like a really nice product, and the value seems to be $29. So if you are not a member of BoxyCharm yet, you can sign up using my link in the description box below. It is a $21 a month box where you receive 4 to 5 full-size items, and you also get the option to upgrade to Boxyluxe, which comes out 4 times a year. And Boxyluxe would be an additional charge of $28.99 that you would pay 4 times a year when that Boxyluxe comes out. So my link will be below, and the way to do it is that you sign up for BoxyCharm first, and then you indicate on the site that you want to upgrade to the Boxyluxe. And anyone who signs up pretty soon will be receiving a special bonus of a $62 set of the Butter London palette, the Natural Goddess palette. That is worth $32. And then the Luxie brushes, the Gaia set, and that is 3 brushes, and that is worth $30. So if you do sign up sometime soon in August, then you will get that bonus. So what do you guys think of this spoiler of this first variation box? And granted, it's only 5 of the 8 items. There will be 3 more items, but you know how BoxyCharm is. They want to keep us guessing. And what do you just think of it so far? I'm really wondering. I love Violet Voss palettes. I think that could be a lot of fun. And it's also good to have the curling iron in there because that is a high price item. So, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And let me know how your day is going. I hope all is well and you're enjoying your night. And I will see you guys at the next video. Please like and subscribe because I'm a small YouTuber and I could appreciate and use your help. Thanks, guys.